If you want to become the first millionaire in your family, watch this carefully. You need to focus on $274. You need to focus on making $274 a day times 365 days. Which is equals to $100,000 per year. $274 a day in sales gets you to 6 figures if you do the math. 6 figures is the first stop on the path to $1 million. There are many paths to making $274 a day. Let me show you how to achieve $274 a day. $5 times 55 will give you $274. There are about 4 billion people online right now. And the number is increasing every single day. All you need is 55 people to buy your product out of 4 billion people. It is quite easy to sell online, all you need is more marketing. $10 times 28 equals $274. If your product is $10, that means you have to sell 28 to get to $274 every day. All you need to do is ask yourself, what am I best at selling? $20 times 14 equals $274. If your product is $20, you need to sell 14 products. What if it is a consultation for $100? That means you have to sell 3. And if it is a $300 product, you need just 1. That's the math of becoming a millionaire. All you need to do is add a 0 to the quantity and that $100,000 will turn to $1 million. It is going to cost you a lot of work, but match your strategy with your natural marketing skills. Thanks for watching. See you in the next value.